I think the Daley Center itself and the energy conservation measures that we put into the building are a great example of environmental stewardship. With more than $600,000 a year in energy savings, we were able to convince financiers that this is a great bet. It does not take upfront funding from the public itself, so taxpayer dollars were not used to finance more than $6.5 million worth of energy conservation measures.
Behind us is one of the energy conservation measures that we undertook as part of the Guaranteed Energy Performance contract. There are two devices here. One is a brand new chiller motor. The chiller motors that we replaced were original to the building, so obviously we gained quite a bit of efficiency by replacing the motors. And then over here is a new set of controllers. And that also will help us in the efficiency for the chiller motors and how they operate.
When we're complete with this project, it'll create over 173 jobs and will result in environmental improvements that are equivalent of planting either 572 acres of trees or removing 461 cars from our roadways. So through the ESCO process, and thanks to the Clinton Climate Initiative and the state of Illinois' help, we have had some great success in developing a model to be replicated not only within Chicago, but certainly throughout the nation.
We're very excited about our energy efficiency performance contracting building retrofit program. This actually has been a very large success. City of Houston is now being seen as an international leader on energy efficiency work in municipal buildings.
So the strategy is going to this performance contracting. So what we put out the bid was, hey, there are folks who do this. This is they're experts at it. They do the best practices. Siemens and Schneider Electric are the two that we picked.
We're here in the lobby of City Hall, City of Houston. And so one of the interesting aspects of this project was dealing with a building of historical nature like this. This building was built in 1939. In addition to the lighting upgrades here at the lobby of City Hall, we also upgraded the HVAC system, which means new chillers on the 12th floor in the mechanical room. So early on in the project, the Schneider Electric engineers, along with the City of Houston engineers and the Clinton Climate Initiative representatives, really did a lot of due diligence on the type of chiller and the technology. They use significantly less energy and they run better after hours under light load conditions than other chiller types. And so it's been a big win for Schneider Electric, the City of Houston, and the Clinton Climate Initiative to put these type of chillers in.
In conjunction with the Clinton Climate Initiative, Siemens was chosen as an energy service contractor to perform a performance contract here at the City of Houston's Multi-Service Center. As part of that project, we did lots of lighting retrofits throughout the facility. Those utilities not only reduced electrical usage for those fixtures and lamps, but it also extended the lamp life associated with those new lights that we put in. This pool was typically heated by a gas-fired boiler. Siemens came in and put a solar thermal collector. The water is actually pumped from the pool through the collectors that are located on the roof. It uses the sun's energy to heat that water up and then recirculated back through the pool, therefore reducing and having no need for the actual gas boiler.
When you talk about the economic benefits, these projects do not cost more money. They save you money. Some of these paybacks are 2 and 3 years for some of the low-hanging fruit, like changing out your lighting. And we can talk to buildings and show them real data, real case studies, and when they see that, they say, wow, I want to do that too, I want to save money, and they become, one of the converted, and they start talking to others.